to the trinomial Metric Maths Made Easy YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe and to like and to share with others. Fundamental algebra, vocabulary of words continued. Yeah. So now in maths, you normally have what we call left-hand side and right-hand side, and I like it. That's how I try and make maths much fun, much easy. And I always try and make the right-hand side 0. But anyway, consider the product A times B. Yeah, this product A times B can be 0, depending on the values of A or B. This product of A, B can be greater than 0. Again, depending on the values of A and B. A represent is a variable. It represents the fixed numbers. So depending on the fixed numbers of A and B. And then A, B can also be less than 0, depending again on the values there. So this I will try later on and present in a practical example, maybe in a graph, x and f of x. But for now, let's just understand an equation. Yeah, so we say an equation is a mathematical sentence that may be true or false. Yeah, so here there will only be true depending on what we got. So now let's take the first one, the A, B times 0. This sentence A plus B is equal to 0 only, not only, say when, let's do it first, when A equal to 0, right? So when A is 0, we say this is true. How does it work? So you have a left-hand side equals to AB, but A is 0, so it equals 0 times B. So it's equal to 0, which means that it is equal to the right-hand side. So this equation, A times B, is 0 when A is 0. So B can be any numbers, and B can be any number of real numbers. So can be 3, so left-hand side will be 0 because we'll be multiplying the 3 by 0. Can be 5, can be -8, can be whatever number that you think of. B can be any number, but as long as A is 0, this sentence, this equation, yeah, for mathematical sentence, it will be true when A is 0. Similarly, this equation will be true when P is 0. Okay? And A can be any number. A element of real numbers. Any number in the system. Doesn't matter. But if P is 0, this is going to be true. So how do you do that? So left hand side is A times B. Yeah? And the A is any number. You can think of any number you like. Yeah? But that number is multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is equal to the right hand side. So that is beauty of mathematics. So you must know that if you multiply two numbers and you get a 0, it means that one of them is definitely a 0. Yeah? One of them. So either A or B is definitely a 0. Or maybe both, yeah? Yeah? They may both be equal to 0, yeah? So you can say this equation is true. A times B equal to 0 when A equal to 0 and B equal to 0 and B equal to 0. No problem. Yeah. So left hand side will be equal to 0 times 0, which is nonsense anyway. Which is fine. So equal to the right hand side, equal to the right hand side. So in this equation, A times B equal to 0. It means that we can just generalize. This AB is equal to 0 if or when, let's say when, A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 or both, yeah, or both A and B equal to 0. So I don't know what you'll be doing there anyway. So that's mathematics for then when they are equal. So remember to like, and to subscribe and share with others. I'll do the inequalities next.